All right. Um, Good evening, everyone. I hope you guys are doing fine. Hope you guys are doing well. Can you guys hear me? We're about to start.
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay, very good.
Yes,
Okay,
sir, we can hear
Ye-
you.
okay, nice one, Clifford.
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay, John, I got you. Okay, very good. We are starting right away. We are starting right away. All right. So I want to believe that you guys have gotten to where we stopped yesterday. Let me try and open my Firefox. I will soon be sharing my screen though. I will soon be sharing my screen. I will soon be sharing my screen. Just keep calm, alright? Okay. Now do localhost slash your website name so that we can get to what we're doing yesterday. Alright. When you do localhost slash your website name, you are going to get you're going to get exactly where we stopped yesterday. But this is what you need to do to go back to your dashboard. Um, okay, perhaps I should share my screen now. Let me know when you can see my screen. Let me know when you can see my screen, please. Can you see my screen now?
You can see.
Okay,
Yes.
okay, very good.
Yes.
Okay, very good, Titilayo. I
Yeah, I
got
Yes, we
can
you. I
can.
see
got
it.
you. All right, I got you. Okay, all right. Let's get started. Now, this is where you're going to be after you do localhost slash your website name. The website that you created yesterday. So, if you want to get back to your dashboard, of course, if you are still logged in, you are going to have this bar at top like this. You are going to have this bar at top. Do you understand? So you can just click on this and go back to the dashboard. But if you don't have that, you can do localhost slash your website name, slash wp hyphen admin, and then you click enter. Let me send it to you. Let me send it to you. Give me a moment, give me a moment, give me a moment. All right. So this is what you're going to do. Oh no, no, this is not it. It's not copied. It's not well copied. What's the one? All right, very good. There you go. You are going to do localhost slash your website name slash WPI feed admin. After you've done this, you are going to get to where we stopped yesterday, which is here. All right, this is your dashboard. Okay, this is your dashboard. I told you guys yesterday that when you want, can you guys hear me? Okay,
Yes, we can hear
okay,
you.
very good.
Yes, yes, we can hear
So
you.
I told you
Sure,
guys, okay,
sure.
okay, very good. I told you guys yesterday
I can.
that
Yes, we can.
when you want to use
I said
this
I
one,
can hear you.
okay, very good. When you want to use this, when you want to use
I can hear you.
when you are using localhost, when you are using localhost, you don't need to be connected to the internet. But it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter actually. You don't need to be connected to the internet. But when you want to, there are some situations where you have to be connected to the internet before some things can work. All right, and I'm going to be sharing that with you here. So the first thing I want us to do is to do some housekeeping, some basic, housekeeping before we get started. The first thing I want you to do is to come to pages, click on pages. So when you click on pages, you're going to see all pages. These are the pages that are here now. They are sample pages. But I want us to delete everything. Just mark it, tick mark it, and come to bulk action here. Change it to move to trash. Do you understand? Apply so that it will trash everything. I want us to start with a clean slate. Alright? I want us to start with a clean slate. I want us to start with a clean slate. All right, and also come to post. Come to post. When you get to post, please mute your microphone. Thank you. You are going to see an hello world post here. Also trash it too. Just trash it. I want us to delete everything so that we start with a clean slate. So after you've done that, the next thing you should do is to come to settings. Come to settings over here. Click on settings. Click on settings. Someone is trying to join. All right. So click on settings. After you get to settings, this is your general settings. Okay, so you can change your tagline here. This is general settings. You can change your tagline here. You can go ahead and change it, not just another WordPress website. Just change your tagline to something cool. Change it to, let's say, the best business ever. Whatever your tagline is, change it there. And you can come here and change your time zone too. This time zone is UTC +0. Our own time zone in Nigeria. Our own time zone in Nigeria is UTC +1. Do you understand? It's UTC +1. So we are going to change it now. Change it to UTC +1. You are going to see UTC +1 over there. Just change it to UTC +1. So change it to UTC +1 and save changes. So after you've saved changes, all right. So after you've saved changes, we are going to go to go to permalinks. Permalinks right here. Go to permalinks right here, and select post name. Under common settings, I want you to select post name. Select post name. Post name is the best URL structure, and then click on save changes. Alright, very good. Click on save changes. Then after you've done that, I think most of the housekeeping that we want to do is done. Let me see. Come to readings. Okay, nothing yet. We won't come here yet. So what I need you to do is come to okay. So the next thing we will do is to start creating let's create a page first. Let's create our very first page. Come to pages. Then after you get to pages, click on add new. Click on add new page. So we are going to create the first page we are going to create. We are going to call it home page. All right, let's create our home page first. Just create it and call it home. Title it home. All right, let's give it the title of home because we are creating an home page. All right, then after you've done that, just go ahead and publish it. All right, you can call it anything, but I'm just calling mine home since it is the home page. It does make sense to call it home page. Do you understand? So you can go ahead and see how it looks like. This is how your home page looks like right now. All right, this is how it looks like right now. Okay, I think someone is trying to join. Let me allow that person in. Nice. Okay, so guys, let's continue. This is how your home page looks like now. Can you see? Crescent localhost/crescent/home. That is how it looks like now. But in order to really work with this page, let's go ahead. Go back to okay. Now before we do anything, let's do some simple customization. See this bar right here. Wherever you are, let's say you are on your dashboard now. Remember that we've already created a page. Come back to pages. We've already created a page and it is called home. You can create more pages. You can create another one and name it about us or whatever. You can create another one called about us page. About us. You can create another one, call it contact us. You can create another one, call it whatever it is you like. But I'm not going to create them yet. So you can create as much pages as you want. But so let us now start editing this page and let's start working on stuff and make it better. Do you understand? So click on edit. Then after you click on edit, you've already published it, right? Okay, yeah, we've already published it. So let's just go ahead and click on preview, desktop preview in new tab. So you are on this new tab right now. You're on this new tab right now. Do you understand? So what I need you to do is to click on customize. You see this customize button here? This customize button here. Wherever you are, just get here and click on this customize button. Click on the customize button. Alright, so it's going to be loading customization. For you, it might take a while to load up, but don't worry, it will load up eventually. So it doesn't matter. It will load up eventually. Oh, no. Before we do this, there is something we need to do first. Alright, there's something we need to do first before we do this. Now let's go back. There's something we need to do first. We need to install another theme. I need to show you something very, very amazing. Remember what I told you guys yesterday? If you're on this call yesterday, I told you that the reason why I love WordPress is that a lot of people, they've created very amazing tools for us to get started with, and WordPress has a very, very large community. That is why it is one of the best CMS around. It's one of the best CMS around. So what I think we should do right now is to go to appearance. Go to appearance and go to themes. What are themes? Let me explain what themes are to you. I'm sorry I'm a little bit fast. That's because we have a lot to cover, and you guys just have to keep up. Do you understand? You have to keep up with me, please. So themes define the fundamental structure of how your website will look like. Do you understand? Now, this is the theme that is currently running right now. The name of the theme is 2021. Do you understand? And it is active. It is currently active now. Alright? So, that is the theme that is currently active. If I change it to 2020, let's say I change it to 2020 now. Let's say I activate this, I change it to 2020. I activated another one. Do you understand? If you check how your website looks now, it would have changed completely. You see, this is how our website looks now. Themes define how your website will look. Do you understand? They define the basic structure, the basic building block of your website. Do you get that? Themes are very important in your life. Alright? Very good. Now, we need to add another theme. The name of the reason why I love WordPress is that a lot of people, they've built a lot of beautiful themes for us to use. Now, I need you to click on add new. Click on add new. After you click on add new, you are going to see a lot of themes here. These are just the featured theme. We have popular themes, we have latest theme favorites. You can search for any theme you are looking for. We have a lot of them. Someone is trying to enter. Let me bring that person in. Okay, great. Okay, now for this place to load, you have to be connected to the internet, because it will download all these themes. It will download them, it will stream them from the internet. Do you understand? So now look at these themes. This is the one that is currently activated, 2021. Okay, 2021 is the one that was activated before. Do you understand? Because it is installed, its root installed on it. So this is another one. Let me show you. This is another one here. Do you understand? This is another one here. Alright. This is another one. Basic building block. This is another one. Let me show you. This is another one. This is another one right here. This is another one right here. Alright. See. In fact, there are plenty like that. I'll show you something. Click on popular. Popular ones. These are the most popular themes that are around, the most popular themes that people use. Can you see? If you guys are seeing them, a lot of them. We have a lot of them here. A lot of them. This is an e-commerce. If you want to build an e-commerce store, this is an e-commerce theme. Check it out. This is an e-commerce theme. Do you understand? This is an e-commerce theme. This is another one. Do you understand? This is a news. If you want to build a news website or a news blog, do you understand? You can use this one. You can click on install. Just click on install and it is there. This one is made for photography, for photographers, photography business. Do you see this one? You can see for photography business, photo focus. Do you understand? This one too, top store if you want to sell. If you sell electronics, this one is suitable for electronics. This one is suitable for, what is this? Classy lady uptown style or whatever. I mean, if you want to build something ladyish, let's say you own maybe you own a, maybe you sell lady material or lady related stuff, you can use this one. This is another e-commerce theme. Do you understand? See, I can go on and show you, but you get the point. You have it right in front of you. Just check out. See, we have a lot of them. Just go out, just check them out and see. But the one we are going to use, and the best one according to me that I use all the time, not only because it is free, but it is also very powerful. Its free version is very, very powerful, and it is multi-purpose. You can use it to build anything. If you want to build an e-commerce website, you can use it to build e-commerce. You can use it to build anything you want to build. And the name of that theme is called Ocean WP. I love it so much. Let me tell you something. Throughout my web design career, several years of experience in web design, I only use just 3 themes. Do you understand? I only use 3 themes, and the 3 themes that I use is Astra, Elementor, and Ocean WP. Ocean WP is right here. Out of these 3, I use Ocean WP the most. I use Ocean WP the most, and that is because it is the best. It is free. Apart from the fact that it is free, it is very, very, very good. It's very good. Alright. So, and then if you can't find Ocean WP, of course you can just come to this search bar and type Ocean WP. And after you type Ocean WP, it's going to show up. And again, I'm telling you, you have to be connected to the internet. You have to be connected to the internet. Ocean WP will show up. This is Ocean WP right here. So go ahead and click on install, because it is going to download this theme from the internet. So it is still installing. Don't mind it if it takes a while, but just let it install. Let it take its pace and let it install. Alright, are you guys with me?
Yes, please. May I know the other
Installed.
one?
Installed.
Okay, so it's installed. Okay, very good. Very
Yeah.
good. Very good. Mine is still installing. For some reason, but let's just chill. Then after it is installed, after it is installed, it might give you a prompt that you should install some other things, Ocean Extra and that. Just go ahead and install Ocean Extra. So Ocean Extra is a plugin. Let me give you guys the idea
Yes,
of
it gave me option to install Ocean Extra
It will give you
required
option.
plugin.
Yeah, exactly. Please just install it. Install the required plugin and activate it. Please just go ahead and
Done.
click it and install it. Alright.
Installed.
Okay, very good. Just go ahead and install all those required plugins. Alright. Mine is installed too. So immediately I activate it, it will give me the prompt to can you see? This theme recommends the following: Ocean Extra.
Hello?
Alright. It will ask you to install.
Mine can't search. Mine is not searching.
Sorry?
My own is not searching.
Make
My own is
sure
not
Check
searching.
your
And I'm connected to the internet.
check your network.
The network is not strong enough.
You can reload it or try again. It's going to work eventually. Alright, just click on Ocean
Okay,
Extra.
let me try again.
Just click on Ocean Extra and install.
Okay.
Just install Ocean Extra. Alright, just install Ocean Extra. Okay, I'm just gonna have to. Okay, mine is it's giving me some. Leave this page. Installation. Okay. Just go ahead and install Ocean Extra as well. Install the required plugin. You see, that's why I told you have to be connected to the internet, because it is literally downloading it from here. http://download.wordpress.org/Ocean Extra. It is downloading it from here. Do you understand? So that is why you have to be connected to the internet. And lo and behold, if you go back to your website and you reload your website, it would have changed. The structure of your website would have changed. Do you understand? it has changed to something that looks like this, and this is the basic structure of Ocean WP. All right, I'm still waiting for Ocean Extra to finish installing. How many of you have installed Ocean Extra?
I've installed it.
Okay.
So he's
Install.
telling me something.
It's telling you what?
He said cannot modify header information.
I can't hear you.
Cannot modify header information.
Cannot modify header information. Oh, okay.
Yes, please.
Just reload the page and try again. As the okay, as it have you activated it?
He told me all the installation and activations have been completed.
Okay, told you all installation are successful.
After saying that. Yes.
Okay, well, probably it's going to work. I don't know. If you have any issue, just let me know. Okay, very good.
Okay.
Damilari, you came late today. Why? All right. So okay, mine is saying installation failed, destination folder already exists, blah blah blah. Okay, I'm gonna have to deal with this later. If you're having the same issue, it is just okay. This plugin does not have a valid header. Is that what you got to?
Something similar. It
Okay.
also said plugin installation failed.
Okay, but me, I'm getting destination folder already exists, but it's a small thing that can be fixed. Sha. It's a very small issue that can be fixed. You just have to go to this directory and delete this folder and reinstall, and it will work. So, but then we don't really need Ocean Extra to get started. Let's just leave Ocean Extra for now. We can get started without Ocean Extra. So after we've successfully installed and activated Ocean WP. Just go ahead and go to just click this home page button here to go to your website. All right, to go to your website. Okay, so after you are on your website, what you need to do is now to click this customize button. Click the customize button. Click the customize button so that we get into the customize section and we can go ahead and customize our website. Now I'm going to move a little bit fast here. Please just try as much as possible to keep up. Do you understand? Please try to keep up. I will move a little bit fast, but try to keep up. But the point is that I just want you to get the basic idea of what you can do in this customize section. Do you understand? So that later you can just play with it and do stuff by yourself. Check this out. Check this content place here. This top bar. This top bar here. This top bar here. Can you see this top bar? You can leave it there if you like it, but me, most of the time I don't use it. And also this title section too, we are going to remove it. This top bar can be, it can be useful in some cases. Let me show you. If you have seen my website, Nova University has it. It has a top bar. Let me pull it up. Nova University. That's hard. Let me try and let me pull it up. Okay, this is the attendance of text. Can you see this top bar where I displayed my email address, phone number, and profile logout? This is a top bar. Do you understand? That's a top bar. That is what you can use a top bar for if you want a top bar. But most of the time I don't really like top bars, except they are very important, except I'm creating a website that requires me to have a top bar, so that's when I put them. So most of the time I don't like top bars. So all well and good, let's continue. But I'm going to be removing this top bar and I'm going to be removing this title. So site identity, this is the first customization settings that we have to do here. Site identity, click on site identity. The crescent, that's the name of your website, that's your tagline. This is your tagline. And site icon, do you know what site icons are? This little icon that is here, if you want to change it, Let me show you site icons. Let me open up Chrome. This is an example of a site icon. This is an example of a site icon. All those little images that will be, that will be at the top bar of your, that will be beside, on your browser, at the top bar of your browser. Do you understand? So that's it for you. So let's upload any photo, any picture to be our top bar. Let me just go ahead and um let me look for any image that I can use. Let me look for any image that I can use. Okay, let's say this image. Let me select this. Let me select this and let me continue. There has been an error cropping your image. Well, we have been experiencing some issues with this version of WordPress, but let's just try as much as possible to see what we can do.
And so I think there's an update for WordPress 5.7 out.
5.7 exactly. There has to be, because this 5.6
Yeah,
has a lot of bugs, like
a
a
lot of
a lot
yes, I
of
noticed
very stupid,
it too.
especially this here. This is a bug right here. This is a bug right here. Do you understand? I can't upload what's it called? I can't upload. There has been an error cropping your image. This is a bug. Do you understand? But you guys get the point. Immediately after you click on cropping and the cropping is is successful.
Okay, mine went through.
Okay, have you updated your WordPress?
Yes.
Okay, let me see if I can update this one so that it will not give me issue as well. Let me see updates. Let me see updates. It is still telling me that. Let me see. Check again. It's still telling me that it is still 5.6, so it's not bringing an update.
Mine gave me a lot of stress before it finally went through.
Well, anyways, we are going to. I'm probably going to see to that after this class. All right. So, but you guys get the point. It will go through when you have when you're running on a version of WordPress that is good, and this one has a lot of bug. I don't know. WordPress 5.6 has a lot of bugs, so it's not supposed to give you any issue. You're supposed to just upload, and then after you upload, it's going to look like this. See this here? It's going to look like this. It's supposed to look like this. You understand? It's going to appear right beside your website name. But when I click on crop image, it is telling me it is, talking the rubbish. So, of course, get out of here. Let's say you've done that. Then come to colors. Come to colors. Edit text color. If you want to change edit text color, I don't know why you would want to do that. But let's leave that for a while. We don't need that. Menus. Yes, menus are very important. Open menu. Let's create a menu. Right now, we don't have any menu created. So what I need you to do is to click on create new menu and name your menu anything. Name it anything you like. Name it your name. Damilare menu, Big Sam menu, whatever menu. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to name it main menu because I want it to be my main menu. Do you understand? I just said that so that you know that you can name it anything you like, but name it main menu. I always name my main menu so that because it is admin, it is the main menu. So and then come over here and tick on main, tick main, so that we are going to know that it's the main menu, and click next. All right, very good. So once you click on next, we are going to add items to our menu. Go ahead and add items. Now, now we are going to add, of course, home page is very important. Let's add our home page. We already have home page. Click on home page. Let's add our home page. What other pages do we want to add? Let's say you want to create a website. What other pages do you want to have? Let's say we have a contact us page. Contact us, right? And also we would have a let's say about us. Let's say about us. Add, and let's say what else? Shop. What else? Another page. I'm forgetting page name. Please tell me. Okay.
Services.
Services.
FAQ.
Exactly, FAQs. Okay, I think this is all right. This is all right. Very good. And always publish your changes. Publish your changes. Now, can you see the menu? The menu is now being displayed here. All right, our website is coming alive small. The menus are now being displayed here. Let's say you want to rearrange the menu. You want your services to come first. You can just literally come here and left click on it and drag it up. Just drag it up and drag it up and drag shop up to. All right, and if you want services, if you want shop to be under services, let's say you want services here and you want shop to be a sub menu under a sub element under services, just carry shop like this. Just carry shop and indent it. Sorry, give me a moment. Just carry shop and indent it forward a little bit. Indent it forward a little bit, and then check it out here. Shop is now under services. Shop is now a drop down menu under services. Let's say you want to add about us to under services, just indent it a little bit. You'll see that about us is now a sub menu under services. Can you see? About us is now a sub menu under services, but obviously I don't want to do that. So just go ahead and put it back. Put it back. Just put it back and click on publish. Then after you've clicked on publish, let's get out of here. I guess we're done here. We've created a menu. Let's get out from here. Widgets. We're not really doing anything at widget now. Go to home page. We want to do something at home page. So this home page settings, instead of having it at your latest post, now when you go to your website right now, when you do localhost / crescent, okay, maybe perhaps I should show you this at the ending of this at the ending of this lecture, so that you will better understand it. Let's leave home page settings for now. Additional CSS, leave additional CSS alone. We don't want to do that. Go to general options, open general options. All right, these are some other things you can do. Your theme buttons, form input area, pagination, scroll to top, and all that stuff. First of all, let's go to general styling. General styling, what are the primary colors? The colors that you want to use in your website. Let's say you're creating a website for a company and their color is green. You can go ahead and select green, or select a color code for put the color code here. But let's say you are selecting this this vibe of green. You're selecting this vibe of green. All right, so yeah, and then your over color, make your over color, make it somewhat greenish too, but a darker shade of green. All right, main border. So check it out. You can see that this color here has changed to green. The color here, it has changed to green. All right, and the main border color, I don't know why you would want to change main border color, but I mean, I don't think I want to. Just to give it back to site background. Do you want to have a site background color? I don't know why you would want to do that, except if you want to create a website and you want it to have a dark theme. But then this is not the best way to give your website a dark theme. This sucks. Just always put it at white if they don't like that. And background image, if you want a background image, you can go ahead and upload an image to put in the background, which will suck. I don't know why you would want to do that, but it sucks. Don't do that. Remove image. I don't like it. Don't do that. Remove the image. Do you understand? So link colors, you can change link colors too. Do you understand? Every link on that page, you want to change the color to something else. Let's say to green. You want to change link colors to green. Can you see this service is right here? This service is right here. It has changed to green because it's a link. It's something that is linking to somewhere else. Do you understand? It has changed right here. So, but let me put it back at default. I'm just showing you all the customizations that are available so that you will know. So also link over color, you can change it. Of course, obviously you are going to come around here and play with a lot of things. You are going to play with a lot of settings to get what they really do. Also general settings. You can see that I've gotten out of general styling. I'm now at general settings. Do you understand? So do you want your website to be wide, boxed mode, or do you want it to be a separate mode? Do you understand? I don't know why you would want to do this, but this sucks. All right. Yeah, maybe it doesn't suck too much. It's not bad. It's not too bad. But I mean, I always put it as wide. Wide is always very cool. All right. And yeah, just come over here and see a lot of settings that are available for you. Search results. How do you want to do your search results? Search results. Where do you want it to search? Do you want it to search pages, post, or all post types? All post types. A lot of things. All right. Let's get out of here. Always publish your changes. Page title. This nonsense title that I said I did not like. Oh, okay. Let's go back to it. This nonsense title that I say I don't like, I want to remove it. So go to page title. So please, this is very important. Listen very good. Visibility. Leave visibility. If you want to hide it on tablet or hide it on mobile or hide it on whatever. How about me? I want to hide it everywhere. So this heading tag, you can see heading tag here. Okay, that's not even where we are going. Style. Look at style here. Click on style and change it to hidden. And it is gone. Do you understand? Of course, if you want to put it at centered, it's going to be like this. Let's say for some reason you like it, you want to keep it there. And if you want to centered minimal, or you want to replace it with a background image, let's say you want to replace it with a background image, you can do that. You can select an image. Let's say you upload an image. Let me find this very sweet image that I have here. Let's say this beautiful lady picture. All right, and you press enter. Do you understand? So it's going to be like this. If you like it like this, I mean, knock yourself out. But I don't like it like that. I'm going to, for the sake of this lecture, I'm going to remove it, because I'm still going to have an hero section. So why do this? This is a bad idea. So just go ahead and remove it. I'm just going to keep it as hidden so that it should vermouth. Very good. Now it remains this top bar. Of course, check there are some other things you can do here. Just go ahead and mess with these settings and see what they do. Go ahead and publish your changes. Get out of here as well. Hope you guys are still following. This scroll to top, click on scroll to top. All those scroll to top buttons that is always at the bottom right, and then when you click on it, it will scroll to top. Let me show you. Let me find any website. Does this website have scroll to top? Okay, let me open a website for you. Okay, let me show you. But you guys, you get the point. You know what scroll to tops are now, right? Are you guys still with me?
Still with you.
Okay, very good.
Yeah.
Okay, very good. You know what scroll to tops are? Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, very good. This scroll to top button, such that when you click on it, it will take you back to the top of the page.
Sorry, Big Sam. I want to ask.
Okay.
You didn't use Ocean WP for this.
For what?
For this Eden Digital.
I actually used Ocean WP.
Wow.
Yes, I used Ocean WP.
Is this mad?
Yeah, it's very mad. I know, right?
This is cool.
Yeah, I know, right? It's Ocean WP. I used Ocean WP for this. All right. So when you click here, it takes you back. In fact, let me show you something that will bust your brain. Let me take you to contact us page. There's one thing that I had that in fact it took me a while before I got it, but then I got it finally and eventually. Okay, so check this out. Okay, question and inquiry, book an appointment, follow us on social media. So if you click on send a message, you're going to have a pop-up. It's going to be a pop-up instead of having
With a contact form.
Normal people on they will have a form directly inside the contacts, but I don't want it like that. I want to such that when you click on send a message, you're going to have a pop-up. and then you can now put your message there. And after you put your message, you can get out. Do you understand? everything
Wow.
everything comes with a lot of practice. When you practice and you have a mentor, someone you can just say, hey, this is what I'm trying to achieve, can you point me at the right direction? And they will tell you that, oh, there's a plugin like this that can do this. You might have to do this, do that. In fact, there are some times that most of the time, I have some pages that I have designed, and I will just send you a template of the page that you can just import, and you can edit it and use it to do whatever it is you want to do. Do you understand? Maybe some of the things that I have on my local before that I'm no more, that I've designed for a while, I just give it to you to to work with it on something like that. Do you understand? It's actually possible for me to, I can download this page like this, and I can give you the template, and then when you install it, exactly this will be in front of you to work with. Do you understand? It's very crazy.
Okay.
Do you understand? This is very crazy. That's one of the reasons why I like this stuff. All right. This is actually very beautiful. Um, it's actually very good, very beautiful. Of course, you can always come back to this website and check it out and see how. Just go ahead and check it out um, and see all the all the cool things that are there. Oh, and of course, if you don't know how I look like, this is me. Okay, please let's
Mm.
go back to the lecture. Okay, where were we? Okay, very good. Scroll to top. You know what scroll to tops are now. So you can add any scroll to top version that you like. Is this the one you like? Is this one the one you like? Just choose anyone. Most of the time, people choose this one or this one or this one. It doesn't matter. Just choose anyone. When you choose anyone, you can choose the position. Do you want it left side or right side? How what's the bottom position? Where do you want it? The size of the button. You can go ahead and adjust everything. The color of the scroll to top button. You can go ahead and mess with those color right here. So always publish your changes. And if you want to disable it, you can just uncheck this and it will be disabled. You won't have a scroll to top button. Do you understand? You won't have a scroll to top button, and you can put it back if you like. So get out of here. Pagination, we are leaving this for now. Of course, please don't just leave it. Come over here, enter them and see what they do. Do you understand? Publish. But for the sake of this class, I'm not going to do that now. And come to typography. Open typography. Of course, we all know what typography is. Typography is where you set how your this thing looks like, your fonts and all. So your general body, you can change the typography. But the typography that I'm going to change for you right now is your main menu typography. You understand? Your main menu typography, this main menu right here. Let's change default weight. Let's change this. Let's make it a little bold. Let's change it to 400. Let's say 500 medium. Do you understand? And default style. Okay, let's leave it. Text transform. Let's make it uppercase. When you make it uppercase, you can see that everything is now in uppercase. Let me just change it to capitalize. Let me change it to capitalize, and I want it a little bigger. Instead of having it as 13 pixel, let me change it to 15 pixel, so it is bigger now. And letter spacing, what is the space between them? I want to change the spacing between them a little bit. I think this is better. And font family, I think I like, there's a particular font that I like very well. It's called Poppins. I like Poppins very well. Just search for a font that you like. This is Poppins. It's a very nice font. Just search for Poppins and go ahead and publish. Alright. Of course, we are still going to do header settings. Get out of typography. Of course, you can go ahead and do other typographies, for the filter, for the menu, for the whatever blog post. This is where you can do that. Get out of there. Come back to top bar. This top bar right here. Alright, so you can come to top bar and general settings. You can disable top bar if you don't want it, and now it is disabled, or you can enable it if you like it. That's your cup of tea, but me, I don't like it most of the time. Contents, you can go ahead and choose the template or just put your content. You can see these sites is under maintenance or whatever the hell you want to put, or you can put your phone number, contact us at whatever you like. You can use it for anything you want, but I don't like it.
Big Sam,
Yes.
how did you add the phone number icon
Oh,
while
okay.
type?
Okay. Actually, there is this website, Icons 8, I think, yeah, Icons 8, where you can download 5 icons.
Okay.
Icons 8, I'm coming. I've forgotten the name of that website though. I'm trying to remember. Yeah, it is Icons 8. I'm coming. 5 icons. 5 icons list. There's a very popular website where we download 5 icons. I've forgotten. Is it icons 8 or 5icon.io? I've forgotten. But they are called 5 icons. All right, they are called all those
Okay.
things. They are called 5 icons. You can. I think I saw icons 8 the other time. Don't worry. When I remember, if I remember before the ending of this class, I will. I will. I'll let you know. You can just do. You can search for anyone. Okay, now you can put down this site. It's very useful if you want to use icon. You can find icon phone. You can search for any form of 5 icon that you are looking for, or any icon generally. All right. So let's say this is the one you want to use. You can just click on it. Of course, you have to register. You have to, but then this is taking our time. You get the point. So you can download
Yeah.
this actually and insert it. Do you understand? You can download something like this and insert it. Actually, what you get is a code from that particular website, but I've forgotten the name of that website. I hope I remember before the ending of this lecture, sha. And when I remember, even if I don't remember at the ending of this lecture, if I remember, I'll just put it in the class, and and you can just go to that site and get those 5 icons. You are going to get just a little snippet of code, and you're going to paste it inside. Here's it. You're going to get a little snippet of code, and you're going to paste it inside here. You're going to paste it inside this content inside here, and it's going to show up. Do you understand? It's going to
Okay.
show up. It's very simple. So when I remember, I would put it on the group. Okay, very good. You can do socials too if you want to add social media pages. You can just put your social media links here. All right, put your social media links. You can put your social media links here, and Instagram. All right. Can you see social media links are now showing? They are showing on your top bar, but I don't want that, so I'm going to go ahead and disable it. Okay, very good. So let's continue. The next thing we are going to do is to do our header. Enter header. Then after you get into header, you can go ahead and do general settings on your header. What kind of header do you want? Do you want a transparent header? You guys know about transparent headers, right? Nova University,
Yeah.
it's a transparent header. If you want a transparent header that you're going to be seeing the contents under, you can do that. You can do that here. Do you understand? But I don't want a transparent header. You can do a top menu header, which is terrible. I don't do it. A top menu header, I don't like it. This is actually cool for some e-commerce websites. If you are doing some e-commerce website, this might be cool, but so far so good. I don't really like it. You can do full screen. I don't know why you would want to do full screen, but according to me, it's a terrible design. Such that when you click on it, it takes over your screen. Well, I don't know. You can get creative with whatever you want to do. Center. You can have it centralized, which looks extremely terrible. Um, you know, It looks extremely terrible, but I mean, I'll leave it to your discretion. But most of the time, I just use minimal. I just use minimal. Minimal is good. Minimal is nice. You can go ahead and change your background color. You can change the background color. You can change it to red. You can change it to green. As the spirit leads, as your creativity leads. You can change it to, whatever color you like. So yeah, so far so good. And also, yeah, get out of here, publish your changes. Logo, your site's logo. Instead of having this here, let's upload a logo. Let me try and upload a file. Is there any logo that I can upload here? Well, let me see if I have a logo on my local that we can use. Of course, okay, let me see. Let me use this for example. All right. Okay. You just upload your logo, you get the point, upload your logo, and then you can crop your logo. Let's just hope we don't have cropping issues. Alright, crop your logo. Then after you are done cropping your logo, then crop. Then there has been error cropping. Alright, I'm just going to skip cropping. And yeah, this is the logo. It's too big, so we can go ahead and adjust the size here. Of course, we can always adjust the size here. Yeah, you get it. Someone is trying to join. Okay, you can adjust the logo, adjust the size of the logo, adjust the height of the logo. You can adjust the height of the logo as well, and you can check the responsiveness. You can check how it looks on tablets. See these three buttons here: desktop button, tablets button, and phone button. You can see how it looks on tablets. This is how it looks on tablets. And if it is too small, too big for you on tablets, you can please mute your microphone. Someone's microphone is on. You can adjust the size on tablets. And the beautiful thing is that it's not going to affect how it will look on phone. It's not going to affect how it looks on desktop. If you go back to desktop, your desktop size will still be retained. And if you go to tablets, your tablet size will be retained. Your tablet is 71, desktop is 79, 179, and it's still there. So you can go to phone, and phone it is too big. You might want to reduce it a little bit. Let's say you want to reduce it a little bit. You want to reduce it to maybe this size. This size is good for you. Alright, and that's 133. You can publish it like that. So if you go back to your phone desktop, it is 179. If you go back to 171, and if you go back to phone, 133. That is called responsiveness. Do you understand? So you have to customize how it looks on different devices. And let me give you a piece of advice that will help you. Always make your design, make it mobile first approach, because 19% of online traffic right now is from mobile phones. About 9% is from laptops, and just 1% is from tablets. Please make sure your site is mobile friendly first. Mobile first approach. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Let's continue.
Yes.
So after you're done, and you can do social menu. Let's go back to desktop view. Menu. All right. Okay, menu normal. You click on menu. Link effect. This is where you can put link effect. Underline from left. You get a point. It's going to give some effect to your link. Do you understand? Underline from left. It's going to give some effect to your link, and you might want to. Okay, let me change the color of the underline from left. Let me change it to let me change it to orange color, since I'm using an orange. Let me change it to orange color since I'm using orange header. But then you get the point. You just get very creative with whatever it is you're doing. And I want to remove this search bar. When you click on search, you can search for stuffs. But should I remove the search bar? If you want to remove the search bar, you can scroll down and search icon style. Do you want it to be disabled? You can disable it, and it will go. or you can choose another one, header replace. If you use header replace, and when you click on it, it will replace your header so that you can search anything you want to search. Would you understand? And also, please mute your microphone. You can choose overlay. Just come over here and please, just go ahead and play with a lot of stuffs. Play with a lot of these settings, but I'm going to disable it for now. I don't want it. And publish your changes. Let's go over here and deal with our mobile menu. Okay, you can do social menu if you have social media account and you want to display it on the header. Come here and enable social menu. Alright, if you enable social menu and you want the style, you can scroll down and please mute your microphone, put your Twitter account, put your Facebook account, and put your Instagram account and all the accounts you want to put, and publish your changes. Alright, publish your changes and get out. Alright, get out. And open mobile menu. Someone's microphone is still on. Please, who is that? Damilare. Please put off your microphone. Very good. Now, mobile menu. Let me go to mobile mode so that you can see mobile menu. How it looks on mobile. Of course, if you want to have another logo for mobile, you can upload another logo for mobile. And mobile menu style. When you click on it, how do you want it? Do you want it as a drop down? Yes, of course, you want it as a drop down. And you can change the style if you want it as sidebar. So when you click on it, it will slide from the side, but I don't think I like that. And if you want it as full screen, so that when you click on it, it will take over the whole page. That sucks. Just use normal drop down. People love drop down. Drop downs are good. Remove menu text. Please remove menu text. Do you understand? Remove menu text. And okay. And hamburger. Okay. Your hamburger icon, default icon, you can change it to something else. Alright, you can change your hamburger icon to something else. So instead of having it as the normal default one, I think there's one I like very well, elastic reverse. I like elastic reverse. I use elastic reverse all the time. So when you click on it, you have this very sweet effect. You see, you have this sweet effect. I like it. It's very good. Okay, so get out of here. Publish your changes. Oh, before you get out, I want to disable this this search bar. Scroll to the bottom, and there is a place where you can disable mobile menu search. Go ahead and untick it. Okay, so that mobile menu search is gone. And from now, I think we are done with our header. It's looking pretty sleek. I think I love it. We want to get out of here. All right. Let's get out of here. And blog, footer, and sidebar. Let's just leave this one. But guys, I would really advise that you come here and look at them and play with all the settings and all. So let's get out of here. After we are done, publish your changes and click on this X to get out. Let's click on this X to get out. Now let's start building the body of the page. All right, so before it's 30, we should be done. Let's start building the body of the page. So what I need us to do right now is go back to pages, go back to your dashboard. Let's go back to pages and edit this. Go back to pages, and then when you're on pages, notice that all those pages that you added when you were adding your menu, they are here now. All right, so go over here and click on edit. All right, when you click on edit, you can just go ahead and start building your website from here. You can put content here. This is the website that I want. You can even add some few other things. You can add You can add an image. Where is that? Where is the image? You can add an image. You can add an image blog. Upload an image. You can choose a very nice image. Do you understand? You can choose a nice image. Alright. You can choose a nice image and put another stuff, and so on and so forth. So if you update and you go back to your page, if you preview in a new tab, you can see this is the content you added right now. This is the website. I mean, you get the point. You can just do it the way you like, as per, as you are doing, as if you are using Microsoft Word. But that's a terrible way to design a website. It's very terrible. Never do it this way. It's a very, very terrible way to design a website. So let me show you the real way to really design a very good website. So just go ahead and remove all these ones. We are going to be using update your changes again. We're going to be using a very sweet plugin, a very sweet page builder plugin. That's the plugin that I use. It is free. I love it when plugins are free. Of course, it has a pro version, but the free version can do a lot for you. So what are plugins? Plugins are extra functionalities that some people have created, such that when you add it to your website, it will give you extra functionality. It will make your website look very good, and then it will make your website perform very good functions. So we're going to add a plugin called Elementor. Elementor is a page builder. So just go ahead and add new. Click on add new. You want to add new. Click on add new. Of course, you have to be connected to the internet before these things load up. Alright, so just go ahead and put Elementor. Search for Elementor. And after you search for Elementor, yes, Elementor will be, where is Elementor? Jesus Christ. Okay, Elementor website builder. It's here. This one, not this one. This one, Elementor website builder. Can you see the logo? Elementor website builder. Go ahead and click on install now. So it is still installing. Leave it. Let it keep installing. Alright, let it keep installing, guys. Let it keep installing. Of course, you can see other plugins that are available for you to, choose from. Other plugins that are available for you to choose from. But then you don't know how to use this one yet. You see someone, a website that is very beautiful, and people are doing pop-ups and this and that. Yeah, it's because of these plugins. Do you understand? Oh yeah, this was actually when I did a $600 offer, such that I think when I was targeting some foreign clients. So you just design a website for $600 instead of the normal price that I charge was is always $1,500. So I just did a very small 60% off 3 days offer to get as much people to do as possible. Do you understand? Which is kind of like, if I can get 5 people to pay $600, multiply 5 times $600, that's about $3,000, which is not small money. It's a lot of money. Do you understand? At least when you convert it to Nigerian naira, which is still good. This is the page. It looks really professional. And if you check something out, guys, I would really want you to go to edensdigital.com, check it out, and see. Just look at the feel. Look at how it looks like. You see that the design is consistent. You see the consistency in font. You see the consistency in color pattern. And there is something very powerful that I'm going to share with you that will make your designs better than others. Please, it's very important. I'll show you, and I use it all the time. I use it all the time with my designs, and they are always good. So in fact, before I tell you that, let's just continue. let's continue first. But please, if I forget, just remind me that there is something I want to share with you that is very important for you to know. Okay. Let's continue. Sorry guys, I'm having kata. I don't know. Okay, very good. Mine is still installing. Why now? Guys, have you installed yours? Have yours installed? Hello guys, are you guys still with me? Hello, is anybody here? Can you guys hear me?
Not yet installed.
Okay, is yours installed?
We can hear you.
It's still installing.
It's still
We are
installing.
here. It's still installing.
Okay, just let it install. Just let it install. Okay, it's going to install. Let it install. It's going to install. Let's go back and check. Update failed. Why now? Okay, it's downloading Elementor. I don't know. This WordPress 5.6 is very terrible. It's very terrible. It has a lot of bug. It has been having a lot of bug. My website Nova University, I updated it to WordPress 5.6 and everything just went like wacky doo. Like the website just broke down. I had to restore it back to the previous version of WordPress 5.5.3. So I don't know. Most of the time on most of my websites now, it is WordPress 5.5.3 that is running on it. I'll just wait till they release a new update and I'll check out that update and see if the bugs are fixed before I update my WordPress. Do you understand? Alright, it's still downloading for some reason. I don't know. It's taking a while. It's taking a while. Have you installed yours? Is yours
Mine
installed?
Mine is done.
Okay, yours is done.
Yes, sir.
Okay. It seems this your version is better.
I don't know, man. Let me even see what's going on. WordPress 5.6 bugs. You see, site menu not working after WordPress upgrade to 5.6. The good demand the ugly. What's new about site development? I don't know, that kind of stupid shit. Stupid nonsense. It's really infuriating. Imagine. There's been a critical error, whatever, fatal error, 120 seconds exceeded. What's the meaning of this? Let me go back to plugins. And let me try again. And this is actually very important. It's very important that Elementor installs. Elementor, please don't focus up tonight. Okay, click install now. As yours installed, guys, have you been able to install it?
Yes, it's asking for us to activate.
Yeah, just go ahead and activate it.
The elders of the village should leave Big Sam's laptop this evening.
I don't understand what I've done to the elders.
You have red fire there. Just sprinkle for them. Let them let you be now.
I don't understand. And I've given them their sacrifice.
They should let you be now.
They've already collected.
Oh, Gbebo.
Oh God.
Oh, Gbebo.
It's a new Badamosi.
Oh,
Is that
you?
But they ate and licked the plate. I want Gbebo. She only want to buru by.
Wow. Ọ̀gá ẹ gbọ́ ẹ̀yin àgbààgbà WordPress ẹ ṣàánú mi o.
They need fried rice from you.
Ẹ pọ̀.
Fried rice and
Edro. When has the girl started eating fried rice, Joe?
I don't know, man. It's not installing. It is just loading. But please just go ahead and just update yours. I'm sorry, just activate yours. If yours is activated already, just activate it.
Wow, it has installed already.
Yours has installed. Hey, Jesus is
Yes,
Lord.
sir.
Just go ahead and activate.
But I've activated it.
It has installed. Just activate it.
Yeah,
finally.
Finally,
Not the
I
devil.
mean, finally. All right. So just go ahead and activate it. Then after you activate it, just get out of here. Go back to pages. Go back to pages, guys. We might be a little bit late, but I mean, just bear with me. All right. Go back to pages. Go to home. Go back to home. Click on edit. And something very beautiful would have happened here. You will now have a new option, the option of edit with Elementor. Check it out. A new option, edit with Elementor. Alright, just go ahead and click on it, edit with Elementor. So it will keep loading, and it will now, if everything goes on fine, it will load this amazing platform for you. This amazing platform where dreams come true. Okay, very good. But you see that we have this pesky sidebar here. We have a sidebar here, and we need to remove that. Let me go back out. Click on this, this side here. Exit to dashboard. I need to remove this sidebar first, and this is how you do it. Click on this gear icon. Here. This settings icon. Click on it. So it will bring your settings bar. And scroll to templates. This under templates, page attributes, other page attributes, templates. Just click on it and choose Elementor full width. Choose it and update. Elementor full width, which will remove that sidebar, and go ahead and edit with Elementor again. So after you edit with Elementor again, lo and behold, you are going to have a very clean slate, a very clean 100% full website, full blank slate for you to work with. Okay, very good. Now here we are. These are a lot of widgets that you can use to build your website. A lot of them. Do you understand? You can go ahead and click on this plus button to put in a section. If you want a single big section, a double section, a triple section, 4 section, I mean, you get the point. Website structures. There are some websites that they are halved into 2, but for now, I want to do this full one. Do you understand? Go ahead and click these 8 dots here. Click on it. You can literally drag in header text. It's a drag and drop it's a drag and drop interface. You can drop in header text. You can go ahead and put whatever you like. Whatever. This is my website. Alright, you can come back here and you can drag in an image. Do you understand? You can drag in an image and then come over to the settings panel here. The settings panel for each of those elements. This is the element I'm messing with right now. You will see when you hover over that element, you are going to see a pencil button right here. Just double click on it so that it will bring its own settings panel. If I want to check the settings panel for this header text, click on that header text. Its own pencil button will show. Click on that pencil button. You will see the settings panel of that particular element. So let me go to the settings panel of this image and go ahead and choose image, and I'm going to choose this image. When I choose this image and I click on insert, the image will be inserted. Do you understand? The image is inserted. Alright, you can mess with the size of the image according to what you like. You can do full custom. You can left align it, right align it, and other stuff. You can do style. You can put some styling around it, box shadow, advanced settings and all. You understand? But let's continue from here. Actually, there's still some very cool stuff that I want to show you. You can add video. You can add a video. You can drag in a video. Do you understand? And then you can go to YouTube. Just go to YouTube and choose a video URL. Go to YouTube. Let me open YouTube. I think I have YouTube. Okay, you can see that. Check this out. You can see that I have a background video here. I'll show you how you can do that in a moment. Let me go to YouTube. Let me go to YouTube and get the URL of a video. Just upload that video. The video you want to put, upload the video. Upload the video. And then after you upload the video, after you upload the video, do you understand? Let's say you upload the video. Let's try this wrestling. I don't know why you would want to use a wrestling image, but then for fun, let's just go ahead, just paste the URL of that video, paste it here, and it will show. Do you understand? And it will show. It will show right on your website. Do you understand? So you can now watch it directly right from your website. Alright? I mean, you get the point. You get the point.
Wow.
So there are some other things you can do text editor, so that you can put a lot of text that you want to put. You can also drag in Google Map. If you drag in Google Map, let me bust your brain. Let's say you drag in Google Map now, right? And you can literally put your address. Let's say you live in I live around Alakia. Airport. Alakia Airport, Ibadan. And it will automatically, do you understand? It will automatically load my area for you. This is my area. Do you understand? This is my area. Let's say it's a very good way. Let's say you want in your contact us section, you want to display the map of your business. You can put it there, and then just type your address here. Type your address here, and it's going to show it. Do you understand? Pro content, you can even do dynamic tags. You can zoom in, you can zoom out, and other kind of stuff. Let me show you some other elements that are very cool that you can use. You can drag in a button. You can drag in a freaking button. Okay, alright, you can drag in a button and you can link it to wherever you like, facebook.com, and let's say you want to make it an in-linking. You want such that when they click it, they will go to your services page. Just come over here and type services, and then your services page will pop up. Just click on it, and then it will automatically populate it with the URL of your services page. Also, if you want to put it to your contact us, just write contacts, and it will automatically pop up your contact us. Just click on it, it will populate it with your contact us URL. Alright? Okay, very good. You can center align it, left align it, and all those kind of stuff. You can make it wide, you can make it, you get the point. So these you can now get very creative with it, but let me remove all these things and show you how you can actually get creative with it. If you want to remove this whole section is what is carrying everything. If you want to remove this whole section, you see this blue border. This blue border is a whole section that is carrying everything. I can add another section like that. Let's make it a 2-column section here this time. You can put an image here. You can put, go back, you can put, let's say, a video here, and you get the point. So, but let me remove these sections. I want to show you something. Let me remove this section. And let me design something that looks like an arrow section for you. After I have it like this, of course I want to make it a little bit, I want to design an arrow section. I want to make it a little bit big. Come to height here, change it from default to mean height, and give it a little bit of size so that it is a little bit wide. So of course I want a background image. So here on these settings, you know that we are under this section settings, this blue section settings. This is the settings panel. Come to style and background type. If you want to use a classic background, you can choose a classic background, and you can use a color background. Do you understand? Or you can use a gradient background if you want a gradient background, so that it will have mixture of two colors. Do you understand? It will be a mixture of two colors. Do you see that? A mixture of two colors. You can change the location, you can change the location, you can rotate the angle, another kind of nonsense if you are into that kind of nonsense, but I am not. You can choose classic, you can choose an image, you can put an image, you can use an image background, and it is currently repeating right now. I don't want to repeat. Come to position it as center, and attachment, let's leave attachment for now. Repeat, under repeat, make it no repeat. Do you understand? Make it no repeat. It's looking very terrible right now. Just change size, change it. The reason why it's like this is because this image I'm using, this image is very small. Do you understand? If you want to use an image for your background, make sure it's a very big quality image, and you can always get free images at pixabay.com. pixabay.com. Do you understand? You can get free images at Pixabay, royalty free images at pixabay.com. Get very good, very cool images. Do you understand? Get very cool images. You can download them for free, literally for free. Very good images. Do you understand? You can download them for free. You can download very cool images for free, right? Yeah, it's currently downloading. Yeah, it has downloaded. All right, let me upload that real quick. So that I can change it from this small image to a better image. Let me go to downloads. Okay, this is the image that I downloaded just now from Pixabay. Go to Pixabay. There are very good images there. You can just go ahead. Let's say you want to design a website that is about photography. Just type photography. Just type for photography, and then it will show you images that are related to photography that you can use. Do you understand? It's a very good tool, and those images are free images. Now check this out. Can you see? So center, size, change size to cover. All right, change size to cover, and I want to add a little bit of overlay, background overlay, because this image is too is too lighty. I want to add a little bit of dark overlay. All right, just go ahead and add a little bit of colored overlay and make it dark, make it black, make it a black overlay, and you can mess around with the opacity here. Do you understand? Just give it this opacity so that any content you had on it will show very well. Let's now say I now had a content here. I had these two inner section. This is called inner section. This is inner section. I added inner section so that maybe I can add a button here. I can add a button here, and I can add maybe another button here. Sorry, maybe I can add another button here. Do you understand? And I can make this one. I can make both of them. I can make this one, I can make them center aligned, or even not center aligned. I can make them left aligned so that they will be close to each other. And I'll make this one, left aligned so that they will be close to each other like this. And let me delete this one. This one is not supposed to be. Left click on it and delete. Of course, you can go ahead and change the color of these buttons. Click on them. Come to style. Change the color. Change it to orangey. Whatever, change this one to whatever, link this one to your services page, link this one to your contact us page. Do you understand? Let's say you want to move it downward a little bit. You want to move this whole section downward a little bit. You want it to shift downward. Come over here. All right, come over here. Come to your advanced margin and padding. Do you understand? You can go to margin and add a top margin. Add a top margin of, let's say, 40. No, 40 is too small. Add, let's say 200. 200, we shift it downward. You understand? As much as you want to shift it, let's say 500. Do you understand? I mean, you get the point. You get the point. But I'm not really shifting it. I'm just showing you what is possible, what is not possible. You can use padding and margin to do that. You can add other content. Let's say you want to add text content. Do you understand? You want to centralize that. I'm not really designing stuff here. I'm trying to beat time here, but you get the point. That's how you can design an hero section. What else do I want to show you? You can also add a slider, an image slider, instead of having, yes, video background. You see, this is classic, you know, and I'm using this now, but I want to use a video background. Go ahead and click on video. You now go to YouTube and grab a video URL, nice video backgrounds. Go to YouTube and you can just say video backgrounds. You can do video backgrounds and get very nice video backgrounds. Do you understand? Let's say you are creating visual effects or whatever the hell. I don't know, fireplace video background, or this, you know, I think I like them. I saw one now that I like. Let me see if I can grab that one. All this very nice pattern, or this nature HD. I think I like
It
this.
all starts with a great domain.
But make sure when you are choosing them, make sure they are royalty free so that they will not sue you. Do you understand? Make sure they are royalty free. And make sure it does not have this nonsense, because this nonsense is also going to display. See, this is a very nice background actually. You know, it is giving these very nice effects and all that shit. But you know, let me check out this nature background.
Big Sam video is royalty free.
Sorry? What
How do one know if an image or a video is royalty free?
See this one, nature background loop, free background. See, free background. They will put free, and they will also put it under description if it is royalty free or not royalty free. So it is under the description. It is royalty free. Do you understand? Please don't use images,
Okay.
or I mean, so that you are not going to put yourself inside lawsuits. Do you understand? Some of these things they are intellectual properties. You know, they have IP claims on them, and you don't want them to sue you. So, of course, these things only work in your Igbo country. So, if someone cannot come and sue me because I'm using one image here, I will curse your grandfather. Are you minding me? But then you get the point. So, as a professional, don't always use royalty free. And as you start designing more and more, maybe there is a need for you to purchase premium interval, or maybe purchase some premium videos and other stuff. You know, you can always do that. So this is a nice video background. You can see that it's a video background. All right, it's a video background and it is there. And this is exactly how I set it up for this one too. You know, for Nova University. So not Nova University, for Eden's Digital. You know, the video background, you can see the video background is currently just streaming in the background, and it is very cool. It's a very cool effect. In fact, very soon I want to change this to a Christmas kind of feel. You know, where Christmas is currently going on now. I want to change it to something that will bring the feel of Christmas, so that anybody that comes here will know that at least we are celebrating Christmas. Sure, you get. I'm probably going to do that tomorrow or something when I have time. So you get the point. This is just a little bit of what I want to show you. Of course, when you now want to create another section, this is the hero section. They call this section hero section. You can now click add another section. Add another section that we have. You can add another section that we have a content here and another content here. You get the point now. How websites feel. Do you understand? You can go ahead and add another content, but I'm not going to do that here. Now our time has gone. Let me remove this, and let me remove this as well. Let's say you make mistake. You mistakenly remove this and you want to restore. Just come over here to history. And click on the previous one, and it will reload your stuff back. It will reload your stuff back to you. Do you understand? It is still loading the background video, but it's all good. You understand? You get the point. So the next thing I want to do right now is to show you something that will blow your mind, that will blow you away. The fastest way you can actually create a professional website. So since you understand the basic way to edit a page and all that stuff, just go ahead and click on add templates. Please mute your microphone and start. guys, mute your microphone, please. Francis, mute your microphone. Mute your microphone, no. Small money. Okay. Okay, very good. Now, do you guys know how I got here? Click on this folder icon here. Click on this folder icon. Then after you click on this folder icon, you are going to see pre-made templates. Like templates that are already pre-made for you. They are already pre-made for you. Of course, some of them are pro. You have to purchase the pro version to be able to use it. But some of them are free as well. Alright, let's say you want to use, this one is free. This one does not have pro on it. This one is free as well. This one is free as well. Let me show you. There are a lot of them that are free. Of course, you can just go ahead and search for them. A lot of them, like a lot of them. Say I'm scrolling and that's not even finished. Do you understand? There is a lot. And also there are a lot of very good people online, you know, that they've designed stuffs and they put it online for you to download. You can actually download those templates and use them. So let me show you. Let's say we are using this one. Let me see. Let's say we are using I'm looking for the one that will resonate with me. I'm looking for a fine one. Let's say we are using this one. See this one here. Let's say we are using this one. Just click on it. After you click on it, exactly, see, this entirely designed template will be right there in front of you. Do you understand? This design will be right in front of you. In fact, let's go back to library. I think let me choose this. This entire template will be right in front of you. Do you understand? In just one click of a button, already designed, very beautifully made, already in front of you. Just go ahead and click on insert. But just before you insert, it will ask you to connect to templates library, such that you have to register with Elementor before you can, you know, use these stuff. But I mean, it's very simple. Just click on get started. So after you click on get started, you are going to get to this new page right here. Just go ahead and connect. So since you are using it for the first time, it will ask you to register. So just go ahead and register real quick. Like very fast. Just register. After you register, it will bring you back to this place to connect. Just go ahead and click on connect. Then after you connect, it will reroute you back to your, you know, it will reroute you back here. Do you understand? Just go back here and go ahead and reload the page. You have to reload the page before it works. Reload the page. Oh no, I did not save my changes. Anyways, it's all good. Just reload the page for it to work. I forgot to save my changes before I reload. Don't make my mistake. Please always save your changes. Are you guys still with me? Don't worry. I know that we've taken a lot of time, but I'm sorry. We're going to finish very soon. Just go ahead and update. Are you guys still with me?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
Lion, thank you.
Very good.
Okay, very good. Okay, let's continue. So from here, you can go ahead and click on the folder button. Go ahead and click on the folder button and pages, and go ahead and click on insert again. So when you click on insert now, since you have already connected to templates library, it's all good. It's my leg. I mean, normally it will take a while to load. So let it load. Let it do its stuff. And again, I need to remind you guys, please. I would really appreciate it if you guys can do that selfie video for me. It will really help me. Do you understand? It will, I mean, just like a token of appreciation. Just today is the last day of lecture. Just do the selfie video, 30 seconds, 1 minute video. Just talk about what you learned in this class and mention the fact that it is free. Also, of course, Damilare, I'm going to compress this video and I will upload it as yesterday, and I will send it to the group so that you guys can follow it. All right. So, but then the selfie video, it's just going to be a testimonial selfie video. Just take the selfie video, the selfie of your phone's camera. Just say some few things. That's oh my God, you attended. Please just make sure you mention Nova University and mention Olubayo Samuel or Big Sam, anyone. Thank you to Nova University. Thank you to Samuel, and tell them about what you have gained in this class, and mention the fact that it is free, so that it will actually really it will go a long way in promoting this work that we are currently doing. Okay, so let's continue. So yeah, it's Tilayo, you are doing well. Thank you for hyping me. Okay, very good. So now it's here. Just click on insert. So once you click on insert, just give it a while to do its thing. Give it a while to do its thing. Give it a while to do its thing. And let's just wait. Let's wait. Let's wait. Remember, there's a pro tip that I want to give you. Exactly. Now this is how your website looks like now. See your life. See your life here. Completely built right in front of you. Let everything load finish you. Completely built right in front of you. Now this is what you can do. Guess what? You can customize everything. You can come over here, click on these video elements. Click on this video elements and change the video to whatever video you like. Change it to whatever video you like. Do you understand? Change it to whatever video you like. You can go ahead and change this text to whatever you like. This is my business. You can go ahead and change this text to whatever you like. We are here to celebrate or whatever. You can click on this button and literally change this button to what you like. I mean, you get the point. I already show you how to do those stuff. So you can change this, you can change this, you can change this image. You can change this image, for God's sake. You can change this image to whatever image you like. Alright, I think we are the one that uploaded this image. You can change this image to whatever you like. You can click on this image and change it to your own image. Do you understand? Let me upload my image. Let me upload one of my images. Alright. Let me upload one of my images. Okay, one of this. Oh, this was when I was still in school. Oh my god. Imagine. So you can upload. Oh, another pro tip that I want to give you. The images that you are going to upload, please make sure they are not very heavy images. You don't want to upload images of like 1 megabyte. I just saw this image is 1 megabyte. Do you understand? If you have like 4 to 5 1 megabyte images on your front page, it means the person loading your page will have to spend like you will have to download those images, and then your front page alone will be heavy. It will be like 6 megabytes, which is a very bad idea. Your website will be very slow. It will load very slowly. Do you understand? You want to use images that are not maximum 400 kilobytes. Do you understand? Before you upload any image, make sure you compress it very well before you upload it. So I'm going to delete this one and look for another one. I'm going to look for another one that is not too big. Oh no. Okay, but you get the point. You can always put an image, and this one is doing the rubbish. You can go ahead and you can mess with the width of the image. You can mess with the height of the image, to make it a perfect circle. I mean, you get the point. I mean, you get the customization point. So the point is that just come over here, play with these settings, and know how you can edit your website to the perfect way. And then after you are done, update your changes. Then after you are done updating your changes, let's see how our website looks right now. Now, remember I told you I wanted to do something. If you come here and you just do your website, localhost / your website name, Crescent, and you click on enter, something very beautiful will happen, nothing will show. This is not what we did. Do you understand? Like, this is not us. This is not where is that, I mean, we are supposed to see the home page that we just designed now, but it is not here. So that is what brings me to this customization. Go to customize, go to home page settings. Are you guys still with me? Go to customize, go to home page settings.
Okay.
Go to
Yes, sir.
customize, go to home page settings. Remember I said I was going to tell you home page settings later. Go to home page settings. What's going on here? Go to customize, go to home page settings, click on home page settings. Instead of your latest post, change it to a static page and choose home page. Choose it to be home. Home. Remember it is home that we designed. Choose it to be home. Then after you've chosen it to be home, make sure you publish. Do you understand? Choose it to be home and publish. All right. Very good. You see? Let's get out of here. Let's get out. Yeah. Very good. So this is how your website looks like now. Please, everybody, clap for Jesus. Unmute your microphone and clap for Jesus now. Yeah, this is amazing. Actually, it's quite amazing. All right, it is amazing. So this is how your website looks now in just a click. I mean, people will pay you a lot of money for this. Let me bust your brain. Let me show you something. Let me show you something very crazy. Let me show you something. Check out this website. Check out this website. Let me show you something. Let me show you something. Let me show you one of the websites that I built for someone. Alright, that one that I told you that they paid me, is it 50k or 75k or something. This particular website, check this website. Now, if you have inner eyes very well, you should be seeing similarities between this website and this one. First of all, they have the same header structure, right? Just that I use a little bit similar, you know. They have the same header structure, and you have an hero section. Do you understand? You have an hero section. This is an hero section, and also you have another section, which is, you know, kind of course, this one has a video background. You know, another section, and you have this section right here. You have a pricing section, and then you have this, you have this, you have that, and you have this, and it's a one-pager. You understand? It's a one-pager website. It's a one-pager website. This is exactly like the style that I show you now is exactly how I created this one. Do you understand? Just find a very nice template, import it, make edits, and you are good to go. Do you understand? Make edits and you are good to go. All right. So even if this is how you get started, when you are still learning, how to build cool stuff by yourself, you know, the last time I used templates now, it's been very, very long. I don't use templates anymore. It's maybe like 3 years ago. So before you can really sit down and design your own stuff and make sure it looks good, and it looks good on mobile, it looks good on everything, you know, before you can do that, you have to always make sure that you can get started with using templates. Do you understand? That's what I'm saying, and which is pretty cool. You can actually also check the responsiveness. Check how it looks on tablets. This is how it looks on tablets. Check how it looks on mobile. This is how it looks on mobile. Do you understand? And you can make edits. It is also responsive. You can make edits on mobile. You know, you want to make this one centralized. You want to make it centralized on mobile. Do you understand? You want to centralize it on mobile, and you know it necessarily doesn't have to be centralized on. You know, you want to do a lot of stuff. Update your changes, and when you go back to your desktop version, it is still there. It is still there. Do you understand? So you get the point. You get the point. You get the point. And this background image, if you want it to have a parallax effect, click on this and come to style, and it has this background, and come to size. Okay, size is covered, not size. Attachments, change attachments to fixed. When you change attachment to fixed, and then it will glide over it. Can you see that the content is gliding over the image now? Do you understand? That is how you can get that effect. Also this one, you can see the content is gliding over the image. So yeah, I think I have taught you guys enough. So this will be the end of our class. I really hope you guys have gained something very valuable, and I really hope that you are going to apply this skill to your business. You are going to, you know, make a very good career out of it. I hope you. So I wish you success, and God bless you generally. And this is just a tip of the iceberg, or how do they say it? Of course, I'm going to go to the group and I will tell you more about the advanced course. I'll tell you more about the advanced course and the 10 slots. Luckily enough, I think only 3 of you guys have taken the slots. There's still 7 slots left. Actually, only 3 persons have taken it, and I think that's because most people don't know about it yet. And maybe later tonight, because I've not eaten, I'll go and eat now, and then later tonight I'll just come to the group, and then I will drop a series of messages, and I will tell you guys about how do we get this online for the public. I don't understand. I don't understand your question, Jotham. I don't understand your question. How do we get it? Okay. Yes, the advanced class. You don't know about the advanced class. Okay, let me just tell you a little bit. Okay, you want to get it out to the public. Yes, you will have to buy host. I think I explained that in the second class now. I explained that in the second class that we had on WhatsApp. Do you understand? Okay, I'm going to see. Okay, Francis, I'm going to see that. What is that? I don't know what that is. I will check it out actually. I will check it out. But okay, what are they actually? I don't know what they are. All right, I will check them out. So, but the point is that the advanced course is it has a lot of things. All these ones that I taught you guys here, it is there as well, and also how to build chatbots, how to build all those automatic engagement tools. Those amazing emails that you are getting all the time. Those amazing emails that you are getting, and also in fact the brain busting part is that the course really took you through the basic of how you can get the skill. Then after getting the skill, it taught you how to monetize it, how you can create your own web design agency. And also, in fact, I think the most important part of enrolling is the mentorship program that you're going to get. You're going to enter into my mentorship group. Don't worry, I will give you more on the group. I'm very tired now. All my throat is very dry. I can't really talk anymore. So I will just the WhatsApp group. I will tell you more about the advanced course, and it is actually available for you guys at that discount. Because let me show you. I'm really very tired right now. Let me show you. It's actually 20,000 naira, but the Union Bank sponsorship that I got allowed me to bring it from just to give just 10 people, just 10 slots, from 20,000 naira to 5,430 naira. I calculated it to the BRS minimum. That's, in fact, you can even see 5,430 naira. That's exactly $14 as at that time. So you are going to get into my mentorship group and we get to work together. Do you understand? And I can even give you some jobs. I mean, that's the whole point of the thing. But you will get to know more about it in the group. I'm going to put it on the group. You are going to get to know more about it on the group. Just stay tuned. So, but what I really want you guys to do, okay, what I really want you guys to do is, please, I need a selfie video. It will help me. I hope it is not a lot. I hope I'm not asking you a lot by asking you to do me a selfie video. I hope you can just make it a token of your appreciation for this free class. God bless you all. It's been an honor taking this learning journey with you guys. It's been an honor. I've met very amazing people. Damilare, the fresh guy, Francis, Itunu, and there's one very nice babe like that with a very fine smile. What's her name? Happiness. Yeah. So all of you are doing well. God bless you. Yeah, I'll see you in the WhatsApp group. Take care. Bye everyone. Have a good night. Bye everyone.